Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Limitless with Sharu. Today I thought I'll share some Indian grocery haul with you guys. These are some stainless steel plates with multiple compartments. I really like to eat in stainless steel plates. This is just a ketchup bottle, you get it everywhere, but I was out of it so I purchased it. And these are crispy fried onions I use when I make biryani. This is milk, which my daughter and my husband drinks. That is Madras papad. We all love it. And this is pasteurized eggs. And this is palak, spinach. And I got dahi, yogurt. And this is suran. We can use it in sambar or we can make it as a separate bhaji. And that is sambar mix. It has all pre-cut sambar mixed vegetables, which makes life easier sometimes when you're in a hurry. And this is ground cumin, and that is coriander powder. And that is bajra flour. And this is jowar flour. And I got some raw peanuts. And I got some puff rice. I also make poha with this. It comes out very nice. I got some red chili powder. And this is wheel chips. If you would have grown up in the 90s, this wheel chips used to be one of our most favorite snack back in the days. It's nostalgic. I got a pickle, garlic pickle, ginger garlic paste. I got some shredded coconut and also some grated coconut. These are frozen. And I got this Nescafe ready-made coffee mix. And I got this mini murukam. Akira loves it a lot. And I got this rice crackers, green chili rice crackers. And I got some shallots. This is some mixture, South Indian mixture. This is again another variety of murukku. These are some of the few Indian snacks that my daughter likes to eat. This is bundi. And I was out of berries, so I got some blueberries, blackberries and strawberries from the same store. Got some bananas. Also got some cuties, some oranges. Got this grapes. These are sweet cherries. Then I got this bhujia save. These are some hide and seek biscuits that Akira likes to eat. That's a zucchini and some carrots, a bag of lemon, a bag of potatoes, and English cucumber, some tomatoes. This is rich gourd. These are some mint leaves. This is some methi leaves, fenugreek leaves. That's some cilantro, coriander leaves, and a cauliflower, a bag of red onions, and that's it. So these are few items that I purchased this time. Now I will also be cleaning up and restocking my fridge. So this is the total that I paid today at the Indian store for these many items. It's about $317.13. So let's start cleaning up this mess and restock this fridge. Can you see how things are dumped inside my freezer? I mean, it's not on purpose, it happens. So let's get to it.